so much. Thank you. Guys, alam niyo, ang ganda talaga ng pwesto ko. Napapanood ko rin kayo habang napapanood niyo kami. So again, we're Sponge Cola. We are just so happy to be back here. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Hindi pa kami tapos. Gusto ko na magpasalamat right away kasi baka mag-enjoy ako masyado tapos hindi ako makapag-thank you mamaya. Yung nagtataas ng sign na I miss you too. I mean, appreciate it. Thank you. It's been a while. Ang tagal namin hindi nakakabalik. So, happy to be here. We've been playing all over the world. Tapos ngayon lang kami nakatugtog ulit dito in a while. So,